Miss Annalie Caro Lesita, 32 years in service. Employer, Puto Abdul Karim Al-Kulosi. Okay? Another, magpupusit naman po tayo for 33 years in service. We will go on. Miss Virginia Lopez Reyes, 33 years in service. Employer, Mr. Hassan A. Asha. Wow. With the gang family. Ay, grabe. Sobra.
Wow!
Group hug, group hug! Mashallah! 33 years in service. Okay? So, para po sa kaalaman po ng lahat, ang ating po natitira ay 34 years, 35 years, 38 years, 39 years, at sino pa makakahula? So kasi, gusto ko lang po alamin, ano ang pinakamatagal nating taon ngayong 2025?
44!
Ha? Ano? Okay, yan ang abangan natin mamaya at pakikilala na natin siya. Ha? Ingles? Mag-Ingles syempre. Ready na ba kayong tawagin ang ating 34 years in service? Okay. Okay. Now, there's another one more 33 years in service. We will call on Miss Alicia Ramos Francisco, 33 years in service. Miss Alicia Ramos Francisco, okay, 33 years in service. And employer, we will call on Mr. Khalid Abdul Azad Zamani. Okay, now we will proceed for 34 years in service.
Ikaw ang 42?
First.
42 years? 39?
First candidates for 34 years in service, Miss Cristina De La Cruz Dublesa, 34 years in service. Employer, Mr. Abdul Hamid Ahmad Esa Alfaila Kawi. Another 34 years in service. Maybe call on Licelia Domingo, 34 years in service. Employer, Mr. Jasem Monsur Esa Aldalan. Okay, so another 34 years in service.
Emiliana?
We will call on Miss Elenita Trinidad Morales, 34 years in service. Okay, another 34 years in service. Please give round of applause. Elenita Lado Velasco, 34 years in service. We are 3 remaining kasambahay will be awarded for today. Okay? So, please, can we call our co-host, our main host, DJ Tinkerbell? Sir Kiko, please, can you come over the stage, please? So, we will announce the 2 domestic workers for services of 39 years
Wow!
and our most awaiting household workers who serve for 42 years.
Alright.
So, Sir Kiko, please do the honor. Can you announce
Yeah, basahin mo yung nilalaman ng plaque.
the 39 years in service for us?
Sige ito. This is awarded, this plaque of appreciation is awarded to Black 30 years of service, pagkilala sa mga natatanging bayaning HSW, household service workers with 10 years or more years, continued service in the same employer. Given this 10th year of October, 2025 Millennium Hotel Convention Center, San Miguel, Puerto. And now, 39 years of service goes to
Miss Emiliana Aliwalas Ramos. Palakpakan naman po
38 years
natin.
of service, Emiliana A. Ramos.
Employer, Miss Fauzi Ibrahim Alduizar.
Wow.
Okay. So now, another 39 years in service will be announced by DJ Tinkerbell. Okay, now we are going now for what's awaiting part to witness our 42 years in service.
Alright.
Another 39th year of service awardee.
And before that, we would like to invite Mr. Ahali of Ambassador
Yes, Miss Ali.
Supermarket
Thank you.
to give the award.
Ah, yes, of course. He's going to give a special award sa mamaya.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Ali.
Okay,
The
please,
moment of truth, DJ Lahuacha.
sorry, can I call the Miss Emiliana? Miss Emiliana, please come forward. Come to the stage, please.
Bawal ang live.
Emiliana Ramos.
Live ba?
Emiliana, saan si Ma'am
The
Emiliana?
one who won award 39 years.
Ah, dito po sa
Bawal ang
stage.
live.
Please come
Ah,
over
right.
to the stage, please.
Miss Emiliana, please come to the stage.
We have a special gift for you.
Wow,
Okay?
special pala eh. Special award.
Okay, now, DJ Tinkerbell.
Okay, to proceed with the 39 years of service awarded
Wow, ang
this
ganda
plaque of
ng plaque
recognition
niya. 42 years
to
old.
Miss Jonisha Besadre. 39 years of service.
Wow!
Alright.
Employer, Mr. Abdul Jalil Ismael.
Alright.
Wow!
And their plaque of appreciation will be awarded by Mr. Ahali of Ambassador Supermarket.
Alright.
Okay. Now,
Yes, palakpakan naman po natin once again. Miss
Okay.
Jonisha Besadre.
Puro nakahawak ng
okay.
cellphone.
Ito na po. Ang pinakihintay po natin lahat.
Finale. Finale.
Filipino community, because those is the beginning is the business builder in Kuwait. Because I am involved with the Filipino food, Filipino importing, Filipino community. That's why I just thanks the 3 of them and special 3 gifts I give you.
Eh,
Just
sila pala yung ano, yung
return
tatlong
ticket
tulong ng
from
isip.
Manila to any station of
Sila
the
pala yun.
Philippines. Each one. Group of Kapalilbi, help you. Thank you for employee. Actually, should one of the employee must be, Madam, you can come and talk how opinion all your housemates family.
Rosie is not a worker. She's my mother. She raised me since I was 2 weeks old. I love her so much. God bless you. I'm sure you're great. That's why you're still here.
tatlo pala sila sa isang bahay.
Once again, palakpakan po natin.
Okay? Okay, so 3 of you will receive tickets. So, okay, okay, so 3 of you will receive a round trip ticket, domestic flight from Manila to your province. Okay? So, this one, sir, please can you give to them? Okay. So, napaka-generous ng ating sponsor from Ambassador. Round trip ticket, domestic flight from Manila.
Wow! Sana all. Sana all na lang tayo.
So once again, palakpakan po natin Miss Rosalinda Dumon, 42 years of service. Employer, Mr. Bader Al-Dosari.
Wow.
Okay.